towering above the ground at up to 20 feet tall, weighing in at nearly 15,000 pounds with a 28-year lifespan, spent hunting across all of North America. Today, we're taking a look at the T.rex and new scientific estimates in their population and population density. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going beneath the headlines to take a look at an article from National Geographic titled "Billions of T-Rex Likely Roamed the Earth, Paleontologists Report." After reviewing 20 years of T-Rex research, a new study estimates the population and population density of T-Rex. To arrive at these results, researchers leveraged a principle known as Deus Law. Damuth was an ecologist that compiled data on living mammals for more than 30 years. This data revealed a relationship between body mass and population density. On average, as body mass increases by a factor of 10, population density decreases by more than 80%. Now, Damuth's law isn't perfect. There are deviations from this pattern, such as with spotted hyenas and jaguars. Both animals are similar in body style and their lifestyle. They're both predators. But hyena's population density is around 50 times higher. However, researchers used Damuth's law while adjusting for the fact that T-rexes aren't mammalian for computer simulations. After millions of different simulations, each one with a slightly different mix of possible variables, the study concluded that the total T-Rex count could have been as low as 140 million and as high as 42 billion, with the average value coming in around 2.5 billion. Likewise, there could have been anywhere from 1,300 on the low end up to 328,000 T-Rexes that could have been roaming the Earth at any one given time, with the average of the simulations coming in around 20,000. So that would translate into about 127,000 generations of T-Rex dinosaurs that lived and died. And those averages are how we get to the 2.5 billion estimate of T-Rex that lived across a 2 to 3 million year lifespan across North America. Now, this isn't the first time that scientists have tried to estimate T-Rex numbers. This average population density in the new research paper is actually very similar to one published in 1993. That population density, by the way, translates into a T-Rex roughly 1 every 42 square miles. However, this new study is the first one to leverage the T-Rex biology, the body mass, and lifespan information to try to set highly accurate upper and lower bounds on what the total population could have been. Now, interestingly, this also ties into efforts to try and estimate how rare fossils are. Estimating and tracking how many fossils we have found is actually difficult because many of them are in private collections, leaning more on data for public collections, such as those in museums. The analysis found that if T-Rex had been 1,000 times less abundant, let's say the average simulation resulted in a 2.5 million total T-Rex population instead of a 2.5 billion, we might never have even known that T-Rex existed because of how rare these fossils appear to be. Thanks for listening for another quick video. If you like this content, leave a like, and I'd be happy to have you subscribe and tune back for more. If you'd like to continue to go beneath the headline to hear interesting news stories like this one.